Hey everyone. Today I'll show you how to use Pinokio AI step by step, and in the end, I'll share my honest review. Before start the main video, I want to tell you what is Pinokio AI. Well, Pinokio AI is a simple tool that lets you install and run different AI apps like Stable Diffusion, chat models, and more with just one click. You don't need coding skills to use it. So let's start the main video. First, go to the official Pinokio AI website. Download the installer for your system. After installing, open the dashboard, and you'll see a list of AI apps ready to use. For example, if I want to use Stable Diffusion, I just click Install. Pinokio AI will set everything up automatically. Then I just press Run and start generating images. The same works for chatbots or other AI tools. Now it's time for review. Very easy to use, one-click installation, perfect for beginners. Negative side of Pinokio AI is it needs a powerful PC for big AI models. In my opinion, Pinokio AI is a great option if you want to try different AI apps without coding. That's it. Thanks for watching.